All right, everybody. We are maybe a little less than 4 weeks away from the completion of the quarter. And so I've created this project for anybody that is falling behind and missing a large amount of work. So this project, you can submit this project in place of any work that you have not turned in this quarter. So if you're still struggling, this is your chance to get caught up. I have put a lot of work into this project so that it is hopefully clear and mapped out. Um, and it's a reflection of some of the feedback that I have that students don't understand what they're doing or what they need to do. It's also a reflection of the fact that I see less than 10 students during my office hours. So there's not a whole lot I can do other than keep giving you guys opportunities to get work, and this is the last chance I can come up with for now. So I would suggest you take this very seriously. Um, this is a clean slate start because no one else is doing new work. This is just for the students that are struggling to get it done, and it's cumulative, so it covers a lot of material, but the output is very reasonable. There's 3 milestones to this project. The fourth milestone is sort of like a work day, so you have a week to finish this project, and it really shouldn't take you more than 2 hours to hit each milestone. Um, you have to find time to get to an office hour if you want to be successful. I can't build a project completely independent of my input. If I would, I wouldn't need to teach classes. So um, this is the best I can possibly do. I've spent 4 days working on this. So please take it seriously, especially if you're at a point where you have not done any work this quarter. All right, that's my spiel for how important this is and the effort that I've put into it. So the fortunate thing is it's not going to require a lot of work for you guys. All right. This is really just a little bit of everything that we've done so far. So the goal of this project is to model molecules. All right. It's broken out into 3 milestones. The first one is picking the molecules you're going to look at. You're going to build an ionic you're going to use an ionic molecule model and a covalent molecule to model. You're modeling them by filling in information in the outline. The third milestone is going to be picking either your ionic or your covalent model to make some sort of creative representation. Okay. Drawing, three-dimensional model, it's up to you guys. You can do a video. Uh, you just have to check in at each milestone. Okay. So your outline, right? You're going to include your chemical formula, your Lewis structure, right? That's all going to be contained in the outline along with some background outline information, and then you'll have your model. Each milestone is structured so it's about 2 hours worth of work. Um, each milestone I've designated office hours for questions, right? And there's a fourth sort of makeup day. So if you wait till the last minute, your chances of getting a decent score on this are pretty low. But remember, this is like 4 weeks of work condensed into one project and shortened. So you're getting off with a pretty easy assignment, if you ask me. All right, so here's your project milestones. Tomorrow, you're just going to select an ionic molecule and come up with the chemical formula. I have a video that goes through how to form chemical formula, and there's an outline that shows you step by step how to do it. Okay. Milestone 2, right? So I've split milestone 2. The first hour is review of milestone 1, right? And then the next hour is reviewing the outline. So you're filling in the outline. That's probably the biggest volume of reading from the document. When we go over it, I'll show you what it is. But what it's actually asking you to do is not that much. Milestone 3, and 4, okay? 3, you're just brainstorming the model, right? Again, the first hour is the makeup from the previous session. And the brainstorm is just to go over what you're going to do for your model. Is it going to be a drawing? Is it going to be three-dimensional? Are you going to bake a cake? Whatever it is you're going to do, that's your chance to do that. Then the 4th milestone, again, just more support for milestone 3, additional questions. And then on the 5th, you're turning your project in. So that last office hour is your chance. Okay, this comes up a lot. If you need feedback from me, you can't use comments because I can't track all the different areas on Google Classroom. I don't get a notification. So you need to email me and I'll throw in my cell phone number. You can call me on my cell phone. I've called parents on it. I don't care. All right. So you have every possible way of getting in touch with me. And these are the best ways to get in touch with me so I can set up additional times. All right. So that's the overview. Read this document. Okay. This is the first thing you should read and understand. Okay. So it tells you how it's structured. All right. Great job. Talk to you guys soon.